The magic of chemistry, science that looks like magic. What shall chemistry is the study of matter. That means everything around us. It explains how things change, mix, and react. Sometimes, when we mix certain things together, they bubble, change color, or move on their own. It might look like a magic spell, but it's actually science in action. Here are 3 fun, safe, and magical experiments to try. Important safety rules for little scientists. Adult supervision. Always have a grown-up help you. No tasting. Never eat or drink your experiments unless the instructions say it's safe food. Protect your eyes. If things get splashy, wear safety goggles or sunglasses. Experiment 1. The Fizzy Magic Potion. This experiment creates a bubbly, frothy reaction that looks like a wizard's brew. What you need: baking soda, vinegar, food coloring, any color, a clear glass or jar, dish soap, optional, makes it foamier, a tray or plate to catch the spillover. The steps: place your glass on the tray. Add 2 spoonfuls of baking soda into the glass. Add a squirt of dish soap and 3 drops of food coloring. The magic moment: pour in the vinegar, and watch the potion erupt. The science secret: this is a chemical reaction between an acid, vinegar, and a base, baking soda. When they meet, they create a gas called carbon dioxide. That gas wants to escape, so it rushes up and out, creating millions of bubbles. Experiment 2. The dancing milk. Watch colors swirl and move on their own, without even touching them. What you need: whole milk. It works best with fat in it. A shallow bowl or plate. Food coloring: red, blue, yellow, green. Dish soap, cotton swabs, Q-tips. The steps: pour enough milk onto the plate to cover the bottom. Drop 1 drop of each food color near the center of the milk. Dip a clean cotton swab into the center. Nothing happens, right? The magic moment: dip the cotton swab into the dish soap. Then tap the center of the milk again. Watch the colors explode and dance away. The science secret: milk has fat and proteins in it. Dish soap is a degreaser. It loves to chase and break down fats. When the soap touches the milk, it races around trying to attach to the fat molecules. This movement pushes the food coloring around, making it look like a kaleidoscope. Experiment 3. The homemade lava lamp. Create a round, groovy, bubbling lamp using the power of density. What you need: a clear, tall glass or empty plastic bottle, water, vegetable oil or baby oil, food coloring, Alka-Seltzer tablets broken into pieces. The steps: fill the glass about 1/4 full with water. Add several drops of food coloring to the water. Slowly pour the oil into the glass until it's almost full. Oh, notice how the oil floats on top of the water. The magic moment: drop a piece of the Alka-Seltzer into the glass. Bubbles of colored water will float up through the oil and sink back down. The science secret: 2 magic tricks are happening here. Density: oil is lighter than water, so it floats on top. They don't mix. To make bubbles: carbon dioxide gas. These bubbles stick to the colored water droplets and carry them up to the top. When the bubble pops, the heady water creates a lava blob that sinks back down.